started out the mud. You gotta watch all of the motherfuckers up with you. Cause when you down bad and broke, they ain't gon' fuck with you. How that's your man, you go to war and he'll bust with you. Been fucked over a couple times, I got some trust issues. I stayed down so I could wait for this. I hit my knees every night, I had to pray for this. You could stay up off these hoes and commit to your bitch. To keep it real, bro, these hoes ungrateful as shit. I'ma tell you from the jump, bro, don't waste your time. Cause all these bitches confused and they unsatisfied. Go ask my niggas, they say, brody, you ain't never lied. This hoe that broke my nigga heart, it had me terrified. I get all drugs, I get faded, it felt like I float. Lil' bro, stay out these niggas' way, these niggas mad and they broke. I know you frustrated, little homie, but just leave them alone. Cause when they see that you getting on, they gon' be calling your phone. A couple bitches did me wrong, but I don't even miss them. A couple niggas turned their back, but I won't even diss them. I can't cut none of these bitches, I hit them and dismiss them. I text my plug about some pints, he packed them and sent them. You gotta watch all of the motherfuckers up with you. Cause when you down bad and broke, they ain't gon' fuck with you, chop, man. Them niggas ain't gon' fuck with you. Them bitches ain't gon' fuck with you, man. Marry, smash, or kill. But every kill gets switched. Now, that's something new. That's something new. We ain't seen every kill getting switched, so let's see what this about. Let's see what this about. Hey, chicken, we know you smacking all these hoes. You horny boy.
We're doing boys and girls. So
N-A-U-N-R-A-T-E-D, and I have
it's
to
bitch Nina always in this
kill,
motherfucker.
or marry someone. Now this ain't fair. Take, no, I'm serious. What you want me to do? Look at it. Look at it.
This bitch.
Oh. Look at it.
This bitch is crazy.
All right, so if I have to marry,
y'all know this somebody's mom, right? This is somebody's parent. This is crazy.
One of y'all, real talk. Oh my God. Okay, so I'ma smash you. I'ma smash you for real. For real.
He said, damn, for real.
Bro, real talk. Yeah, he know. I'm gonna have to kill this one. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
That's tough.
Yeah, that's, do you want me to kill you? No.
How you feel though?
That nigga say, can you kill me for it?
Excuse me. Hey.
This bitch is crazy.
To the king. Will you, pero mírame. Will you marry me?
This bitch is crazy.
Okay. I'm gonna take that, yeah.
She said, I'm gonna take that, yeah.
Big Rose in the building, Big Rose in the thing. I know the vibes, the Asian queen, the Asian doll. And damn, we got some good candidates. But let me get right to it.
Oh,
Okay?
I do get it now. Okay.
I have to marry you, daddy. For sure, okay? Smash. He's giving a vibe.
He said it's giving a vibe.
You got to go.
She said you got to go.
Out of here!
Out of there.
My name is Imani Villa from the Bronx, New York. Follow me at AMANI.
Out of there.
So,
two light skins against a dark skin? This might be tough.
I'm real spicy. I'm from the Bronx. Nah, camera over here.
This might be tough. When we see some colorism.
Appropriate, alright?
How you feel?
So I'm gonna smash him with the arm around my he got confidence.
Yeah. It looked like he might smash.
Hey, you in the back.
Tonight.
Pause. He up front. I like him. Who will I pass? All right, so I'm he fine, but you too light skinned.
Okay. No color is going on. That's what we like to see.
I'm gonna marry him because he my skin tone and he gonna get what I need. So yeah. But honestly, it's these two up front right here. But they both fine. They both mine, and I ain't lying.
What the fuck? Is this bitch a rapper?
Period.
It's Real Motion Lee from Florida. Don't play. So we just gonna get right into it.
Oh my God.
Slick, I ain't gonna lie, I'm killing your ass off for real. Don't play.
You fucked her up.
You're done for, you're dead. With my
You're
glove.
done for, you're dead with your glove.
Yeah. Shut up. Next. Let me see.
Well, these niggas up there for a minute, ain't they?
I'ma smash Matthew. I smash you. Yeah. And I marry Sid.
That nigga Slick. He ain't feeling that.
You mad? It's okay.
Yeah,
though.
Slick ain't
it's
feeling
okay. Go to the back of the line though. Now.
Slick ain't feeling it.
What's up, y'all? It's the girl Motion Zuzu, Big Zuzu. And
Them
I was
niggas-
gonna kill Sick because he my bro, but it's kind of hard. I'm gonna have to kill Ace.
Damn, them niggas is up there. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, it's tough. Yeah, they thought you thought you was gonna knock him out the ring. Go on, got Crispy lined up and everything.
I'm gonna marry and get her because you like, yeah, but it's on a friendly level. Like, you know, we not gonna do all that, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Big Jazz, and yeah, that's it. Okay. I'm high as okay, let's see.
Bitch said she high as fuck. Chill,
I
go.
would marry him.
Oh,
This nigga say,
okay.
How you know we're just going? Let's see. I would smash you, and I would have to kill you.
oh. They got him out of there. Prime got him out of there. Oh my.
What's up, you guys? My name is
What
Ale.
the fuck is that? Is that an avatar? Is the last airbender pulled up to the motherfucking smash, marry, kill? No, that's crazy. I might have to take the shades off of that one. Yeah, no, that's crazy. I fuck with the feats, though. I fuck with the feats. I need those.
What's up, you guys? My name is Ale, like A-L-E.
We don't care.
Okay. I would marry you.
Prime might be sitting up there for a while the way it's going.
I would smash you.
Zach!
And I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's only one more. Yeah, Zach.
Hey y'all, I'm Janae, the one and only, and I would kill you, no hard feelings. And
Zach.
what you got to say?
I ain't tripping though. That's my intention anyways.
You was gonna kill me? Real bad?
This nigga be
I
thinking
would
he
marry
said
you,
some cold shit.
And I would smash you.
He don't be saying shit.
I mean, they could both get married, but I feel like he putting it down. Like, I don't know.
He looked there.
It's simply Kiana. Okay. I would.
That nigga, that nigga got plenty hair, but his ass short as hell. I ain't gonna cap. He got plenty hair though.
Okay. I'll kill you. I am. I'm gonna marry Sid and smash you.
They might be up there for a while. It's looking like they
All
finna
right,
be up
it's
there.
Divine
for a
Femme
while.
Rising 11, looking for a spiritual bae.
What
Let's
the
see what we
fuck, a
got going.
spiritual
Let's
bae?
see.
She'll go.
Little baby Migos
Little baby Migos.
all day.
You just said little baby Migos?
Little baby Migos. That's little baby Migos. Little baby Migos.
She thinks she
That's
cracking
him all
jokes.
day, right there. Little baby Migos. He look like he a long lost member of the Migos. That's what I'm saying. I'll fuck you all day.
She thought she snapped with that.
Damn, this is really hard. That's what I'm saying. It gotta be a higher connection. But
you ain't looking too
no.
good.
All right, pros and cons. Provider, but potential. Provider,
But
potential.
potential.
I mean, but you ain't at this level though. I'm saying you have the potential to get to his level.
Damn. So because damn. See, that's why you can't go get into these type of this is exactly why. Cause bitches will have you fucked up. There's no way. You gonna compare me to my mans and say I ain't on his level. What you bitch, you don't know us. What you mean? What are you talking about? No, this is crazy. He's a good one for keeping his composure right there. Good sportsmanship, sir. I don't know your name. Good sportsmanship.
I'ma say
she bugging.
Mary kill.
She bugging.
All right, what's up,
Got on
y'all?
her
I'm
ugly
Justice.
ass.
My Instagram, MIZZY.MACC. I'm gonna do this real quick. What's up?
Go get it out of there real quick.
Damn. Damn. I'm killing your ass, leaving you right where you stand. You already
Killing
knew
your
that.
ass.
yeah. Get
Nah,
that.
it's tough.
Yeah, you. Alright, everybody. What's up?
This one right here? How you feeling?
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, she ain't like that.
I'ma marry you. I'ma smash you.
She ain't like that.
Yeah.
Bitches don't like rejection. We see it. Bitches don't like rejection.
You know why she said that's that get back.
She
Hey
won't.
y'all, nah. It's gold. So take your shades off of me. Alright. Take them back out. Keep them off real quick.
That nigga put them hoes right back on.
Nuh-uh. Okay.
She said, take your shades
Alright,
off
so
real quick.
you alright. I'll marry you.
This nigga got shades on. She don't give a fuck.
Kill you. I'm smash you. His feet too little.
She
What's
said
up,
his
y'all? It's
feet
Tyler
too little.
McKenzie, Tyler with an A. And I'm gonna marry you.
Sid might not ever get out of this motherfucker.
I'll probably kill you and I'll smash you.
That.
Yeah.
I made it today.
This nigga.
What's up? It's Sunny Tay Tay. I'ma probably marry you, smash you so you can be my baby daddy, and I keep you around and then
What
kill
the
you.
fuck? This plot
What's
down
up,
hoe.
y'all? I'm Lady Flair in the flesh, you know. Kill. Mary.
What you said?
I said kill, Mary.
You need to kill that watch on your.
Dog piss.
I know you ain't talking with them scuffed up. I know you. Get your hair
Light skin man. You have a fat ass green marker on your head. Go ahead, your research.
nigga.
Look at
Here,
that. Like $5.
First of all, you talking about me?
Dog.
Nigga got a small ass chain. Nigga, out of here. Nigga, go get a haircut. What you talking about, nigga?
Hey, now we gonna do the girl. Alright, so look. now
Dog,
it's the
why?
boys' turn.
Why?
Boys start first, but y'all gotta watch to the end of the video. We gonna
That
let
would've
my
been
boy
me, though. I
Slick
would've been
Show
on
start
that.
off.
I would have been on that.
This is a hard option, but look, though, I'm gonna be real for real. No spill so sad. I'm gonna say, I'm smashing you for sure, like, hands down, like. You know
This
what I'm
nigga,
saying?
he said for
Give me
sure.
that gong, I need it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I'm definitely killing you.
He said, I'm definitely killing
Yeah,
you.
and I'm definitely marrying you. You see what I'm
He
saying?
said,
It's
I'm
real.
definitely killing you.
It's real. It's being real. It's real. Damn. I'm like, you killed me. So I'm gonna.
Yeah, yep. We petty.
I fight 5 with 5. I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah, we
I'm gonna
baddie.
smash you. And you my dog. I'm gonna marry you. Jazzy. Fuck that.
Yeah, we petty around here, big earrings.
You gang kill. You gang kill. Kill.
What?
This nigga, what is
Cap,
Get
no
out
cap.
the video!
I'm killing you,
Yeah, that.
smashing you, and marrying you. No cap.
Jazzy gonna be in there for a minute, huh?
Smash and kill.
Okay.
Kill the bitch in the middle.
So I'm gonna murder you, okay?
Yeah, okay.
I'm sorry, I gotta kill you.
Yeah, kill that bitch in the middle.
Then I'm gonna smash you. Straight up, that's it.
Okay, Reese.
Ya tú sabes, loco, ya tú sabes.
Yes, sir.
Fuck that bitch, nigga.
Damn. No hard feelings.
Kill the bitch in the middle.
No hard
again.
feelings. Kill.
Yeah,
Marry. Smash.
yeah. Oh, that's tough.
See.
They all got butterfly shits on their face now.
Smash. Okay,
So-
hold on. Marry. Smash. Kill.
Yeah, okay. That works. That works.
Let's see what I got here.
Oh, fuck though. Kill that bitch who just came here.
Which one know how to cook?
This nigga talking about cooking.
Alright. See, I both don't know how to cook? Alright. So I'm gonna marry her. Yeah, I can't smash both.
Nah, you gotta kill one.
This nigga. There's no way you.
I'm gonna smash her, kill her.
That's all I'm saying.
Uh,
The fuck?
kill.
Yeah.
This a hard one. Y'all look alike. I ain't gonna lie.
They just got makeup on.
You know I
that's
go
all.
on shoes. I'ma marry you, smash you. No cap. You know what I'm saying? Easy out, man.
Alright, so, damn. marry, smash, kill.
This is tough. They gotta get up out of
here. Your boy
H.NYC
H.NYC number 2.
They might not. They don't look like they will.
They all look good. They all look fine. Damn. This is
the
tough.
bitches who keep coming up, they looking too good.
I'ma marry her. And damn. Oh, my heart is. Yeah, that's what I said. They both is sanctioned for real.
I don't know about that.
I guess I'm gonna have to smash her and kill her. Damn, but if I could bring you back to life, I would.
This nigga said if I could bring you back to life.
Damn, this shit is hard. Damn.
Oh, that's Avatar. We know Avatar.
How I'm feeling? How I'm feeling? I'm gonna marry you. Cause you look like you can do it. Like you look like you can handle shit. I don't know why you just look like you serious about whatever. You, I'm gonna have to kill. I'm smash.
Yeah, that shit on her face.
Smash that good. Smash her. I'm gonna kill that. Yeah, and I'm gonna marry that. But shit show.
Yo, it's your boy Justin Bieber, man. Let's do it, man. All right, so I'ma love you. I'm gonna take you on a date, and I'm just playing. Damn. Alright. I'ma marry you. I'ma smash and I'ma kill.
Okay. What's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Martin in a bit. You feel what I'm saying? We finna see which one I'm marry, smashing, and killing. Damn, they staring at me like a motherfucker, boy. Damn.
You gotta marry or smash one of them.
She look good as fuck. Okay. I'm marrying her for sure. She look good. You can spin for me real quick? Okay.
She thought she slapped. She thought she slapped.
Damn.
Marry, slash, or kill.
I'm smashing her. No cap. I'ma kill her. You feel me?
Hey, it's your boy Isaiah Prime, folk. Y'all know Prime anyway. I was finna roll somebody up because they did that out of spite, folk. But it's cool though. But damn! Oh my God. Very smash. She not gonna fuck you, folk. Get off her dick.
This nigga.
Now it's my turn, but I'm gonna do all of y'all. So I'm be honest, ain't gonna lie. No hard feelings. All right. So right here, I'm gonna marry her.
Okay. That's good.
Look at doing 360 real quick for me. I'm gonna smash her, and then it's like I just went down the first two options, so I'm gonna have to kill you. We're gonna start this side now. All right.
Man, get that old bitch out of here.
I'm gonna have to kill you.
Yeah, get that old bitch out of here.
I wanna kill you.
He talking about I would kill you.
All right, so look, I'm gonna smash her and I'm gonna marry her.
This green bitch have stayed the whole time.
Oh, they making it crazy. Hey, gonna lie? Zuri, I already smashed you twice. It's like,
yeah.
You're out of here. I'm trying to try something new. Listen,
literally.
I'm trying to try something new. So I gotta kill you, but I'm fucking you. Hey, once you married, you know you married for a long time.
Exactly.
So we still married. I gotta try something new. I'm smashing you. Okay. Okay.
Like, what the fuck?
Alright, that's female. Alright. I'm gonna have to smash you. I just like how she talk and she look like she a little crazy. I'm still gonna marry you. And I smash you, but I gotta kill you now.
Yeah, nobody letting Bree go. I ain't gonna lie. Get the bitch off the middle.
It's getting spicy up in there. Hold on. This is a hard one because they all look straight. Like, you can't even lie. You can't even lie. This is tough.
No, get that bitch out the middle.
Ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna smash this one right here. I'm gonna have to kill you. But I smashed her, so like, I'm gonna call you back though. I'm gonna have to marry you again. Like, come on, that.
She's not going nowhere. Oh, get the bitch.
I'ma smash, kill.
Yeah, this is getting easy.
But I'm still gonna go.
And I'ma marry. All right, next girl. Ain't gonna lie, she been smashing me so good. I'm gonna have to marry her now. I gotta marry you, right? I'm gonna have to kill you. And I'm still gonna be smashing you. They ain't gonna stop.
Yeah, you went from the wife to the.
Hey, next.
It's a little tough
Let's
again.
end the video. I'm taking all three of them home. Hey, look, y'all. Like, comment if you new to the channel. Subscribe. I'm gone.
Yeah, it got tough again. I ain't gonna count.